Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add mobile frame to your video, just like the ones you normally see on my channel. Actually, this is a video request made by one of my subscribers. I hope he or she sees this video. By the way, my name is Jen Francis. If this is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop awesome videos. Important announcement. Once you get access to my course and mentorship, where I guide you on how to edit videos like a pro using just your smartphones, plus AI and AI animation. Use the link in the description box to get in contact with me. And yes, before you send me a DM, because our mentorship is not free, so have that in mind before sending me a DM. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is to go to our browser. This method I'm showing you is the method that works for everybody, both those that use CapCut and other editing apps. So now on your browser, search for mobile frame PNG. Then you hit on search. Alright, now so once you hit on search, you can see a variety of mobile frame PNG. So I'll go with VectEasy. I have an account with them. I'll visit their site. Alright, now remember the easy method to do this. I'll also show you the easy method to do this using CapCut for those that have CapCut. So some images that are here are free while some are pro. So let's search for the free ones that I like. I think I like this one. Let's say you want to use this particular one for our video. So I'll just click on it to download it. And you can see free download. Now it's going to be downloaded to my phone. So I'll download this. So now this is the PNG. It's not really visible, but once we start editing, you see it very well. So now the next thing for us to do is to head on to CapCut. Now I'll also show you an easy method of doing this. Go to CapCut and I'll click on new project. So which video do I use for this now? Let me select this video. Alright, I'm going to let me mute the audio first so that it doesn't interrupt us. So I'll mute this and I'll also cut it. I just need few clips for the editing. I'll cut this, cut it here, and delete this part. So delete the ending. Now this is the video. Let me change the aspect ratio. This is where to change the aspect ratio. Let me change the aspect ratio to YouTube ratio. So I'll change this to YouTube ratio. And also let me change the background so the background could be visible. Let me use color. I'll use white. Let me use white. Or let me use my blue color. Okay, so now on CapCut, you can go to stickers. This is stickers. So this is stickers. You can just scroll. I think they have this mobile frame PNG here. Let's search. Okay, this is the mobile frame PNG. You can see it on CapCut. This is the mobile frame PNG. Let's say we want to work with this particular mobile frame PNG. Just click on it. So this is the mobile frame. I'll just reduce this. You can also make it to fit. I don't really like this mobile frame PNG. Okay, let's leave it like this. What I'm going to do now is to use mask. Remember that the mobile frame PNG we have here is the one of CapCut. So you can as well use the one you downloaded, your preferred one you downloaded. So I'll delete this part. So now we are going to use mask. So go to mask. Remember, before you click on mask, make sure you select this clip, the one you're editing, not the PNG. The one that you're editing, that's the main clip. Just click on it and you go to mask. Go to mask. This is mask. This is mask. So click on mask. Then you choose rectangular mask. Just do this, slide up to where you want it to stop, and you increase this one, and that's all. And that's all. You see, this is how to add mobile frames to your videos. So let me delete this particular mobile frame because I don't really like this one. This one is the one of CapCut. Let's import the one we downloaded, that's from FreePic. All right, so now let's use the one we downloaded from FreePic. You know, this method is for those that are using CapCut. If you like the PNG on CapCut, like the mobile frame I just showed you now, you can use this particular one. But if you don't like it, just go on your browser, search for mobile frame PNG, and make your choice. Choose the one that you feel that works for you. So now what I'm going to do is to go to overlay, which is this place. I'll go to overlay and I'll add overlay. I'll go to photos, and this is PNG we just downloaded. I'll add it. So this is the PNG. So this one is not really cool. There's a one I have on my phone that I normally use for my videos, but I want to use this particular one for tutorials. Alright, so this is PNG. You can just make it to fit a little. Then we now use mask. Tap on the main clip. When you want to use mask, tap on the main clip that you want to edit. So we now go to mask. You use rectangular. Then we now shift this like this, and we expand this one, and this is it. So you can see how we just added mobile frame to our videos. You can see how we just did that. I think this brings us to the end of this tutorial. This is how to add mobile frame to your videos. If you got value from this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop awesome videos. By the way, my name is Jen Francis. Don't forget to smash the like button. And yes, if you want to get access to my course, use the link in the description box. Let's connect.